Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to post carousel on LinkedIn. So if you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So what we can do is you can just head over and then just create our actual post as usual. So click on this start to post and then this will open this window. It will ask you what you want to talk about. For example, let's just say something like hello everyone. And then once you have head over and then type in anything you want to say, you should be able to see these options right here for add media as well as these more options right here. So if you click on the more options, you have the option to add media, share that you're hiring, create a poll, add a document, or find an expert. So for this one, what you can do is you can head over and click on this add a document if the carousel that you want to actually post is a PDF. Another option is to add a media if your carousel that you want to post is actually a picture. So click on this add media right here. Click on this upload from computer. And then just locate the picture that you want to actually post. For this one, I'll just choose this options right here. Click on this open right here. Then it will show me this carousel of images. Now click on next. And then once you have done that, as you can see, they have been added. So what I can do is I can post it, or I can also schedule to post it for later. So just choose which ones you want and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, or if you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try this to answer. Thanks.